Hi guys, Kevin here. Today I'm going to try to clean the double front doors in my entrance hall. Although this house is 192 years old, the doors themselves are much younger. They're only 148 years old. Anyway, let me move behind the camera so I can show you the condition my condition is in. The mahogany doors are equipped with etched glass windows and Eastlake doorknobs. Although the original shellac finish is still intact, it has become almost black with grime. To clean the doors, I'm going to use mineral spirits. And to restore luster to the doors, I'm going to rub them with mineral oil. When you clean with mineral spirits, be sure to work in a well-ventilated area. I've already opened windows in the hall. And be sure to wear gloves to protect your hands. And you'll need to have plenty of cotton rags. To start, dampen, I don't know if you can see, dampen a cloth with the mineral spirits. And then rub in the direction of the grain. I love mineral spirits because it does a great job of cleaning hand oils and other kinds of grime, just general pollution from finished wood. And it does so without removing any of the old finish. And have a look at what I've removed already. This is probably, I don't know, pledge or whatever people have used on the doors. And you want to turn the rag frequently so that you're not just smearing old waxes and oils all over the place. Wow. So I'm probably going to be working on this door for about 30 minutes. So I'll come back and show you the door when I finish cleaning it. Well, you might as well keep me company while I work on these doors. And I hope I remember to tell you to work in the direction of the grain. And if you're wondering why this house has double front doors, the answer is simple. Back then, women, fashionable women, wore hoop skirts and later bustles. And so we needed big doorways to accommodate the hoop skirts and bustles. And boy, these doors are in great shape for being about 150 years old. And you just can't buy anything like this today. The workmanship was really superb back then. Okay, and one other thing, probably you can't see, of course you cannot, it's too dark here, but I swapped my cotton rags for terry cloth. I bought a bag of cheap terry cloth rags from a odd lot type store, and they absorb much more dirt and grime than the cotton cloths. So just a little tip for you. I'll be back. Oh, be sure to pay extra close attention to the areas around doorknobs and keyholes, because this is where most of the hand oils will be prominent. Yep, every time somebody touches a door, they leave oil on the door. And I am almost finished. So I'll be right back. Okay, the door looks a million times better already, and you wouldn't believe how much dirt came off of the door. So I'm going to let the mineral spirits dry for about 30 minutes. They dry very rapidly. and then I'll come back and get started on the mineral oil job. Alrighty then, the mineral spirits have dried, so now it's time to apply some mineral oil. And the reason I'm using mineral oil is because I used it on a couple of Victorian fern stands, and man, it gave them an almost mirror-like finish. And it did dry, it did harden, although it's supposedly it's not the best material to use if you want a super durable finish. But it's good enough for doors, and it was good enough for my fern stands. And let me show you. I don't know if you can see, but I left the little foil lid on this thing, and I just punctured a little hole in it. So when I pour it, it doesn't go all over the place. I'm a control freak. Okay, here we go. On to the doors. Of course, the other good thing about mineral oil is that you can buy the food grade version, which is non-toxic. So mineral oil is terrific for things like children's wooden toys, wooden cribs and whatnot. And again, always remember to rub in the direction of the grain. And I will finish off these doors, and then I will come back to you. Okay, my doors are oiled, and I think they look like $1,000,000. Big improvement. And let me come in front of the camera so I can chat with you a little more. Okay, so in closing, I'd just like to say that I am not a professional wood finisher. I'm just a DIYer. But I do know that this method has worked on other pieces of furniture in this house. And I kind of like it because it's really easy to do and it's very inexpensive to do. So I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you will give this video a big thumbs up. And I hope you'll post a comment below. And I will see you very soon. Bye for now.